So you're ready to buy a home. Cue the confetti. But before we start picking out paint swatches and hosting imaginary housewarming parties, let's break down the actual steps to get you those keys. With me, your favorite Space Coast Realtor leading the way, will make sure you're prepped, informed, and ready to find the one. Step 1. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before we start swooning over homes on the market, let's talk numbers. Getting pre-approved helps you know exactly what you can afford and show sellers you mean business. It's like having your VIP pass to the home buying concert. Pro tip: avoid big purchases, looking at you, new car, during this phase. It could affect your mortgage approval. Number 2, define your dream home checklist. Beachside bungalow? Backyard for the pups? Open concept kitchen with space for epic cookie baking? Let's define your must-haves, nice-to-haves, and deal breakers so we can focus on homes that check your boxes. Pro tip: be flexible where you can. No home is perfect, but the right one will feel like home. Number 3, start the house hunt. Here's where the fun begins. I'll curate a list of homes that match your criteria and we'll start touring. Be ready to take notes, snap pics, and most importantly, imagine your life there. Pro tip: sometimes the right home isn't love at first sight. Keep an open mind. Step 4, make an offer. Found the one? It's offer time. I'll guide you through making a competitive offer that fits your budget while standing out to the seller. Negotiations? Don't worry, that's my specialty. Pro tip: stay calm. It's normal for counteroffers to happen. We'll get you there. Number 5, inspections and appraisals. This is the let's make sure everything is working order phase. A home inspection checks for potential issues, while the appraisal ensures the home is priced correctly. Pro tip: don't sweat the small stuff. No home is flawless, but big red flags, we'll address them. Step 6, closing day. You made it. On closing day, you'll sign a mountain of paperwork. I promise it's worth it. And then, drum roll please, the keys are yours. Pro tip: bring your favorite pen and maybe a celebratory snack. It's a big day. Number 7, celebrate and move in. Pop the champagne, unpack the boxes, and make yourself at home. You've officially crossed the finish line, and your dream home is now your home. Pro tip: invite your favorite realtor, me, to the housewarming party. I'm great at mingling and admiring your decorating choices. Ready to take the first step? Buying a home doesn't have to be stressful, not when you've got an experienced Space Coast Realtor in your corner. Whether you're ready to start today or just gathering info for the future, I'm here to help every step of the way. Call, text, or send a carrier pigeon. Let's find your dream home together. To slowly start browsing at some homes, click the link below. This link will bring you right to my website so you can start searching for that home of your dreams. Thanks, and have an amazing day.